Talesong 23. Strangers on a train. I meet a man on tracks, twist in the air. He whispers plans, dark secrets we share. Trade murders, he says, calm and sly. I'm frozen, shocked, can't deny. We laugh, we drink, yet tension climbs. Thoughts spiral fast, and danger chimes. I try to run, but he won't let go. Plans unfold. Terror starts to show. Every street, every shadow, a trap. He's close, he watches, bridges collapse. I wrestle guilt, fear, and shame. Life's a gamble, nothing stays the same. I plot. I dodge. I think it through. Horrors creep in. What's false? What's true? In trains and alleys, fate twists tight. I face the terror, alone in night. Answer the following questions. Well done. You did it. Compare your answers with the suggested ones.